channel. So for this video, I am going to be doing that video that's been going around in circles. It's called the I tried following blank tutorial, and I'm very excited to do this video. I think might be a little bit late with this video, but anyway, I really wanted to do Nikki Tutorials follow me makeup look, but obviously a lot of people have been following Nikki Tutorials, Jaclyn Hill, so I decided not to do it. So I wanted to do another YouTuber which I recently found a few months ago, and her name is Rawbeautykristi. She is an amazing creative makeup artist. She does an amazing job at creating makeup looks as well. She also does honest makeup reviews for products. So I was very excited to actually do or create a tutorial done by her. So the video that I will be doing, I will link it down below so you guys can check it out on her channel. It's actually a video that she does an honest review of the Jaclyn Hill palette, but she does include a makeup tutorial doing that. So with that being said, I will be doing that makeup look. So if you guys want to follow me along, just keep on watching the video.
I already moisturized my face with the Clinique Moisture Surge, which is my favorite.
So she's going to be starting off with a Clinique moisturizer. I see that she didn't apply it in this video, but I will be going in with my Clinique Smart Broad Spectrum Custom Repair Treatment Moisturizer. So I'm gonna go in with that just to moisturize my face.
We love dot makeup, and I am just so excited. And this is the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra Charged Complexion Prep Priming. Ooh, it smells like coconut.
So over here, she's actually applying a spray. I think this is kind of like a prepping spray. I don't have that spray, but I am going to be trying, you guys know, my Mario Badescu rose water spray, which I've been loving. So I will be doing that before I apply anything.
That was enjoyable. What does that smell like? Oh my god, it has such a distinct smell. What does that smell? Oh my god, if any of you guys have ever tried,
I feel you, girl. I love that smell too.
Like it has old wiring in our home.
Okay, let's just get to the point.
I think today for my foundation, I want to use the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, and this is in the shade medium. I probably should be in the shade light or light medium, but you know what? Right now I don't have that.
I'm gonna actually wet my sponge. It seems like she is gonna be using a sponge to apply her foundation, so I will be right back. Okay, I am back. So I wet my sponge, and it looks like she is going in with a foundation. I do have the foundation that she is actually trying in this video, and it is the IT Cosmetics Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. I have mine in the shade tan, and actually I have not really worked with this foundation as much. I did try it a few times, but I kind of forgot how it feels on the skin because I haven't used it in a long time. So we're gonna go in with that. Go in with the sponge, and I am just gonna grab it and just work with it.
That's all they talk about, and you're like not eating healthy, so it's annoying. And you're like, shut up, you know? Why do you have to be so obsessed with it?
Now what I did notice is she didn't really go in with a primer. I think maybe the spray was the primer. So if you are wondering, I think that's what the primer is, because I usually sometimes use the facial spray as a primer rather than actual primer. So we're just gonna work that all over. And it seems like she's also bringing it down her neck.
Now I'm going to go in with the Cameo Contour Stick from Pure Cosmetics in the color Light. I normally dislike cream products because I feel like they just don't perform well on my skin. It definitely grew, so I'm just going to go in and see how it works. So
the actual one that I'm going to be using just recently is this one from Smashbox. It is the Studio Fix shaping foundation stick. It also has a contour side which you can use. So I'm going to be using that to contour my face. And it seems like she's applying it right on her cheeks, and her forehead. Gosh, I don't know if I'm doing this right. And then the other side, it looks like she's taking it to her under eye. Oh gosh. Don't know about this. I never used this for my under eye, but we'll see. Oh, she's going under there as well.
You guys know I don't ever do my makeup like this. You guys know this.
So I'm going to be going in back with the beauty sponge to blend everything. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to follow her because she's going pretty fast, and I'm not really that fast with makeup. And then it looks like she is blending her contour with the same brush, which makes sense. I guess you would definitely want to, if you are using the same sponge, you definitely want to blend the lighter color first and then the darker color, because then it's gonna kind of transfer if you do the darker color first and then the lighter color. I didn't see her actually apply the highlight here, but I see in one part of the video she actually does have a little bit of highlight on her Cupid's bow, so I'm gonna do that.
And this is not a new product to me, but I haven't used it in about 3 years, and this is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder, and I used to be freaking obsessed with this.
So I don't have the pressed powder that she's talking about, but I do have this IT Cosmetics. This one is Celebration Foundation, Full Coverage Foundation. I mean, it kind of acts as a powder, but it's not a pressed powder. It is a foundation. I'm gonna see how it works. I'm gonna try it on one side, see how it does. So I'm gonna go with this IT Cosmetics powder brush. This one is from IT Cosmetic Brushes, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that product. We will see.
Today I don't have any new brow products. I'm just going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Taupe, and then I'm going to be using the Essence Make Me Brow Duo to powder it, and I will be right back.
So she's now going to be going in with her Anastasia pomade. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows as well. So I will be right back, you guys, when I am finished doing my eyebrows. So for this tutorial that Kristi is going in with, she is going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. My palette is a little dirty. I know Jaclyn Hill did come out with a newer version, which is much cleaner and it looks much newer. The outside is more of a silky smooth surface, which is much easier to clean. This one is the old version, so it takes me a while to clean. But with that being said, we are going to start off with this palette. That is what Kristi is using on this video, so we're going to be doing that, and we are going to be starting off with this shade that
is now on to the tutorial. So I'm going to start off by dipping into the shade Silk Cream.
Nice, almost like a beigey brownish color, and I'm going to go that in all over my eyes like she's doing. Now it may not show on my eyes because I am a little bit tanner, so it might not really show on me, but we'll just go along with what she's doing. And I am using the Morphe N504 brush. Now it seems like she is going with the color Butter, which is this color over here. This color.
And toss that all throughout the crease. Oh, that blends so nice.
Right.
That blends beautifully. Like, I feel like that just blended out like a dream. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Jax.
So now she's gonna be going in with this color Jax, which is nice, a berry color, and I think she's using more of a definer brush. So I'm gonna try the Morphe E17 brush, which is more of a definer brush, and we're gonna apply that color in the crease area. And with a clean brush, I think I'm just gonna go back with this brush because it's the same color that from the other brush, which is going to blend and blend the edges.
I think I'm gonna mix in some of the color Hunts and the color Chip.
So now she is going to mix the color Hunt, which is this orangey color, and the color Chip, which is this color over here. And we're gonna go in with the Morphe M433 brush, which is a tad bit smaller. So we're gonna go in with this color over here, Just gonna mix these two, and we are going to just apply that. Seems to be more at the corner here where she's going.
I want to use all the colors. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Pukey.
And she is gonna go back to the color, this color over here, which is a color called Pukey. And she's going to be applying that more at the outer V of her eyes, which is like right here at this corner. She's going really far out almost like right at the edge over here of her eye with that color Pukey. And I think she's kind of blending it semi-halfway. So
taking more of
like
that chip color,
with the color
really deepen up this outer crease.
And I'm going to be using this back to the color chip. And we're just going to deepen the outer crease.
I literally barely had to dip into that color, and this is how pigmented it is. I really want to use the blue shades, but I feel like everyone's going to be like, fuck them, I'm doing it. I'm going to take my F70, which is my Sigma concealer brush, and I'm going to use a little of the Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to sort of cut out my crease a bit so that I can do a bright blue color on my lids, and it's got a nice bright base for it to go on top of.
Right, so now she's going in with a cut crease, you guys. I'm going to try in with my Shape Tape concealer in a light medium.
I'm gonna take that same brush.
And it looks like she's taking a flat brush at this time. I'm gonna just take this brush over here, which I have. I'm gonna spray a little bit of Fix Plus like she's doing in this video. So she is going into the shade Pool Party, which is this beautiful turquoise color. And it's so pretty. It has a little bit of shimmer, you guys. So she's gonna be applying that in the inner corner of the eye.
That's so pretty. I spritzed my brush again, and I'm going to go in with the shade Twerk.
We're going to apply that in the center of the eye.
This one definitely doesn't have as much power as Pool Party.
So this color is not as pigmented as the other colors for some reason. I don't know why. Even when you apply Fix Plus, it doesn't seem to be as pigmented.
I don't know how I feel about that blue shade, honestly. I think it's not my favorite. Patting a little of Pool Party over the edge of the two.
She's going back with Pool Party, and she's
gonna gradiate.
Kind of like blend that over.
I'm kind of surprised she approved the shade, if I'm being honest. The blue one. It just seems really...
So now she's just pretty much blending the two colors together by kind of like blending and going back to Pool Party and just blending it over the blue eyeshadow that she did, and she's going back with the blue eyeshadow and blending it over the matte shadow that she did on her eyes. So now it seems like she is creating almost like an eyeliner right across. So I'm going to be doing that with this tapered brush. I hope that it works out, you guys. I've never tried this at all. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this one from the Too Faced wand, the glittery Too Faced wand, and I'm just gonna clean the glitter off of it. And I'm using the concealer in number 10. I think she went in with a concealer as well, not sure, but she's just going all around.
All right, lashes are on, and now I'm gonna move on to liner. I'm doing the bottom lash line, and then
Well, it looks like she's going in with an eyeliner that's more like an aqua shade. I don't have the one that she's using on her tutorial, but I do have this one from Rimmel. It looks like this. It's this one is the 7 in turquoise. So I'm gonna be applying that on my waterline. Now, I don't know when she applied her eyelashes, so I'm gonna be doing that right now. All right, so I am back. I'm not sure what eyelashes she wore for this tutorial, but I went with the Cocoa lashes called Goddess, which is my favorite eyelashes right now. They're very dramatic, very flirty. So I went in with those eyelashes, and I think that's the ones that she's wearing. So I'm gonna be going with the M213 brush. And it seems like she's grabbing this color over here, the one that we use for our inner corner, and she's going to be applying that down on our waterline. So for the inner corner, she's going to be grabbing this color Beam over here, and she's just applying that in the inner part.
Roxanne and Jack on that underneath.
She's going in with this color Roxanne, and I believe a little bit of this color. So it looks like she's going in with a more like tapered hand brush, and she's kind of like dragging the color underneath.
If you leave all of the negativity and drama and everything aside, it's a beautiful palette.
And I'm just going to clean up the under eye because I feel like there's a little bit of fallout. I wish I would have done this kind of like before. So I'm just going to go back with that, maybe with the setting powder, just to kind of clean the whole thing underneath.
If you want it, you should definitely get it. I don't know when it's going to come back into stock. I know that the first day they sold out in like 45 minutes or something. It was insane. But it certainly will be back. Morphe knows the demand for it, and Jack.
There you go.
Truly, it's a great palette.
Yeah. So, and then go in with a brush and just pretty much just clean everything. I think now she's going to be applying mascara underneath her eyelashes. So for the picture, on her video, she actually goes in with a darker lip. So I'm going to take this one from Melted Matte Too Faced. This one is called Evil Twin. It looks like this. And I'm just going to be applying that all over my lips. I don't have a lip liner as dark as this, so I apologize. So guys, my audio actually cut off, so I apologize. But on this part, I'm actually using my Becca Illuminator, Highlighter, whatever you want to call it. It is in Champagne Pop. I'm going to be applying that on my cheeks. This is how I believe she had it on the video. She had a little bit of highlighter going on. So I'm going to grab a little bit of this. I'm also going to spray it with a little bit of Fix Plus just because I feel like it just intensifies the highlighter a bit more. So with that being said, I think this is pretty much everything for the whole makeup look. I am so excited to be trying this makeup look, especially done by Kristi, because she is an amazing artist, like I said. And this look is just screams rock and roll, screams just gothic. It's just such a pretty beautiful look. So I am not mad at it. It's so beautiful. If you decide to try this look out for yourself, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know if you guys do try it out. And thank you so much for watching this video. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for future videos as well. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.